toast and parfait, but it's gonna be vegan. So let's get started. So first we can make the parfait. Let's put the yogurt in. Okay, a little bit more. Now we're gonna add the blueberries. Got a little bit more of the. We're gonna add this. Candy nuts. Nuts. And more. Not too much. Now you need a little bit more of this. It's like a cake that like you're putting that layer and then that and then a more layer. I have to move it a little more. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna add some more. It's like you're doing like a cake, right? The cake, then more. Like that. There's my parfait. Now we're gonna get the spoon and put it right in there because it's full of yogurt anyway. Might want to use it. Now for the bit. So we got it from my Peppa Pig school book. It's like kind of like for babies, and that's how I learned. We get all Peppa books, and they have like these stuff. And we got this beach one, and it's like you have to make like a food crab that you can eat. Not like a real crab. It's like so cool. So I think it's like fondant for the body. You need like a big piece of fondant.
It was a croissant.
Oh yeah, it was a croissant. Oh, it's really hard. This is mine because you can tell that me, ButterBeanz, has like this is my parfait. So this is basically like my drink with the parfait, and then this is basically like my food because like kind of like my drink in a cup. How can that even get on here? Okay. So, we're going to cut the banana into 3 pieces. Dogs are stuck, but keep doing it. So, we're going to add this. Then we're going to add this. We'll add 3 more bananas. 2 more to be for the parts of the eyes.
So those are the ears.
Okay. There we go. Then now let's add the eyes. There's my favorite. Thank you for watching. Bye!